What's up? Go back to the channel. Gotta talk about the Ranger. Been a while, so stay tuned. So we got the Ranger. She's still hanging around. Now that it's not covered in snow, I can kind of give you a rundown on what's going on with the thing. It's been chilling. You notice since the last video I removed the toolbox. Still haven't put the mirror on. Still haven't fixed the fender. There's a pucker in it. So yeah, she needs another fender, or he. I think I'm calling him a he. Door got a pucker here, and then of course the typical rust. I'm gonna try to get a new cap corner ordered, get that put on, welded in. Then I need a bed. Pretty nice dents in there. So get another bed. But here it lies in all its splendor. Been about, what, 2-3 weeks since I started, so I guess I can give you a cold start. It's nothing crazy. Just a straight pipe Ranger. Stay listening. Headphone users, beware. Street pipe madness. Yeah, I miss driving this truck. Looks I get driving this thing. So yeah, that's my shifter. It looks way more useless than it actually is. It really works, because I can rest my arm here and just reach over a little bit. The stock shifter cuts off somewhere around there, but it's farther up. And yeah, nothing done to it quite yet, but stay tuned. I got some upgrades coming. Nothing crazy in here. It's good. It's straight pipe. No cats, no exhaust, no nothing. And it's a Super Duty. That's coming off. I had to say it funny like that. I should take this off and do Sup Duty. Just to be ignorant. I don't care what people think. Nothing special. 2.5 liter, 4 banger. Nothing done to it underneath the hood, but new battery, new alternator coming soon on this thing too. I guess I'm pretty rough on alternators. I guess I don't know, or could be the fact that it's a 20-year-old truck. Probably never had an alternator done, but yeah, it's chilling. It's hibernating right now because it has a blown brake line. Can't really show you until I feel it and pump it a couple times, but yeah, it needs a brake line. So once I get that cracking, then I'll be driving it. Probably ain't gonna be until next year though, because up here where I live at, Iowa, likes to snow, so I'm not driving this in the snow. I'm good. But yeah, that's a little update on the Ranger. Gotta do some work to her, but I'm gonna make videos as I do it. This right, the toolbox coming off was kind of spur of the moment type thing. Had an opportunity to throw away, so that's what happened. Got threw out, so yeah, it's my Ranger again. Couldn't show it that good last time. So it was snowing, and I just wanted to get a video out because I missed you guys so much. But yeah, gotta get another bumper. This one's like lopsided. I'm not sure what's going on with that. So yeah, it's a little gap over here, tight over there. Could be from when the kid rolled it. He put it in a ditch or something. So yep, gonna be a fun little project for me. Go along with the other ones that I got going on. Gonna get some new tires and wheels. Those are coming off. I'm gonna do it all white. Get rid of this. It's not really helping it stopping from rust, because if you look, still rusting. I mean, it's not as bad as some other 98 Rangers I've seen around, but it's not that good either. Typical Ford paint, peel off, so that's nothing. I'm not worried about that either. Plan on painting it once I get the body work done. I'm gonna do a facelift, probably get a newer grill or paint this one black. I'm not sure yet. Different front bumper because I got corner lights, and yeah, I'm not a big fan of that. But yeah, just wanted to give a little update. That's the update on the Ranger. Nothing too crazy. Nothing more, nothing less, I should say. I don't know. Y'all stay tuned. Catch you in the next one. Peace.